Hey everyone, today I'm showing you the best 3D printers of 2025. These machines aren't just for tech enthusiasts anymore. Professionals and designers are getting incredible results right from their homes. They're packed with high-speed printing, auto calibration, multicolor options, and extreme precision. And the best part, most of them are currently up to 50% off on Amazon. We've got 6 amazing models to go through, so watch till the end. Choosing your favorite won't be easy. All the deal links are in the description. Let's get started. Introducing the Anycubic Cobra S1 Combo. Break free from limits. Stunning 4-color prints. Right out of the box. Unleash creativity. Built-in dryer ensures peak filament performance. Always ready. Print at incredible speeds, up to 600 mm. Fine detail guaranteed. Elevate your prints from hobby to business. Get the Cobra S1 Combo. Discover the future of 3D printing. Get yours today. Struggling with slow, single-color 3D prints? Meet the Anycubic Cobra S1 Combo. Unleash your creativity with vibrant 4-color printing. Right out of the box. Achieve blazing fast speeds up to 600 mm. Printing is now a breeze. Enjoy seamless prints with a built-in filament dryer and auto calibration. Plus, control everything remotely with the Anycubic app. Upgrade your creations. Click the link and get yours today. For a limited time, get a free filament spool. Unleash your creativity with the FlashForge 85M 3D printer. First, one-click auto leveling, perfect prints. Every time, simple, fast, and reliable. See your designs come to life. Experience incredible speed. Print up to 600 mm. Need a new nozzle? Quick swap it in just 3 seconds. Power outage. It resumes right where you left off. Start printing effortlessly today with the FlashForge 85M. Born from a passion for creation, comes the FlashForge 85M. We believe in turning ideas into tangible reality. Our mission: empower creators of all levels with cutting-edge 3D printing. Imagine a future where innovation knows no bounds. Fueled by the 85M, unleash your creativity. Learn more about the FlashForge 85M today. Struggling with slow 3D printing? Meet the Elegoo Saturn 4 Ultra. It's here. Print at insane speeds, up to 150 mm smart. Automatic leveling, ready to go. AI camera monitors prints. Power loss recovery. Foreign object detection for ultimate safety. 33% off flash deal. Get yours now. Elegoo Saturn 4 Ultra. Print smarter, faster. Frustrated with slow 3D printing? The future is here. Introducing the Elegoo Saturn 4 Ultra 12K. Experience the next level. Blazing fast print speeds up to 150 mm. Unbelievable speed. Automatic leveling for perfect prints every time. Effortless precision. AI camera for remote monitoring. Stay in control. Always create stunning models faster and easier than ever. Get yours now and save 33%. Flash deal ends soon. Don't miss out. Click the link and bring your ideas to life. Introducing the Creality K2 Combo. 3D printing evolved. Print in 16 stunning colors, bringing your ideas to life. Blazing fast 600 mm speeds. Create faster, easier. AI camera prevents fails, saves you time and material. Large 10x 10-inch build volume, perfect for projects. Get the Creality K2 Combo. Unleash your creativity today. Introducing the future of 3D printing. Creality K2 Combo. Print in up to 16 vibrant colors. Unleash your inner artist. Experience blazing fast speeds up to 600 mm/second. AI camera monitors for perfect prints. Every time. Create large projects with a spacious 10x10 build area. Get the Creality K2 Combo now and bring your ideas to life. Limited stock available. Learn more. Dream it, then make it a reality. Introducing the Bambu Lab P1S. Print up to 16 vibrant colors. Bursting with life and detail? Blast through projects at an incredible 500 mm print speed. Enjoy perfect prints every time. With enclosed design and auto leveling, unleash your creativity. Get your Bambu Lab P1S today. Struggling with slow 3D printing speeds? Introducing the Bambu Lab P1S. Unleash incredible speed. Print in up to 16 vibrant colors and materials. Enclosed design ensures top-notch results every time. 500 mm print speed saves you precious time. Auto bed leveling gets you printing in minutes. Get your Bambolab P1S today and create. Introducing the Creality K2 Combo, the future of 3D printing. Print in 16 vibrant colors. Transform ideas into reality. Experience blazing fast 600 mm SES printing speed. With the AI camera, get error-free creations every time. Print with PLA, PETG, and more with auto leveling. The ultimate gift. Get your Creality K2 Combo today. Flash deal. Get 28% off your purchase. Discover the Creality K2 Combo now. Introducing the Creality K2 Combo, the future of 3D printing. Print in 16 vibrant colors. Transform ideas into reality. Experience blazing fast 600 mm SES printing speed. With the AI camera, get error-free creations every time. Print with PLA, PETG, and more with auto leveling. The ultimate gift. Get your Creality K2 Combo today. Flash deal. Get 28% off your purchase. Discover the Creality K2 Combo now.